Have you ever wondered how Korean celebrities achieve that flawless, glass-like skin? No magic, no expensive treatments, just simple, effective beauty secrets passed down through generations. If you're dreaming of clear and glowing skin from the comfort of your home, you're in for a treat. Today, we're unveiling the top secret Korean skincare tips that will transform your skin into a radiant masterpiece. Stay tuned until the end because you won't want to miss these game-changing beauty hacks. 1. The Korean skincare philosophy. Before we dive into the tips, let's talk about the secret behind the Korean skincare philosophy. Unlike the Western approach, which often focuses on covering up imperfections, Korean beauty emphasizes prevention, hydration, and nourishment from within. The key is consistency and gentle care, treating your skin like a delicate flower rather than attacking it with harsh treatments. In Korea, skincare is viewed as a ritual, not a chore. It's all about self-care, taking time to pamper your skin, and building habits that ensure long-term radiance. The famous glass skin look isn't achieved overnight, it requires patience and dedication. 2. Double cleansing. The foundation of flawless skin. Our first top secret tip, the legendary double cleansing method. This isn't just a trend, it's a skincare revolution. Koreans believe that cleansing is the most important step in any routine, and here's why. Step 1. Use an oil-based cleanser. This melts away makeup, sunscreen, and impurities that cling to your skin. Oils attract oils, so it works like a magnet, pulling out all the grime. You can use natural oils like jojoba, olive, or grapeseed oil if you prefer a DIY approach. Step 2. Follow up with a water-based cleanser to remove sweat, dirt, and residue. Look for gentle cleansers with pH-balanced formulas to avoid over-drying the skin. This ensures your skin is squeaky clean without stripping away natural moisture. Remember, clean skin is happy skin. Section 3. The 10-second rule. This is one of the best-kept secrets in KBeauty. The 10-second rule states that you should apply your skincare products within 10 seconds of cleansing. Why? Because damp skin absorbs products much better, locking in hydration instantly. Think of your skin like a sponge. If it dries out completely, it won't soak up moisture efficiently. But when it's slightly damp, it drinks up nutrients like a thirst-quenching elixir. 4. The power of toners. Why water-based toners are game-changers? Forget about alcohol-based toners that dry out your skin. Koreans swear by hydrating toners that restore balance and prep the skin for the next steps. Think of your toner as a sponge. If it's dry, it won't absorb water. But if it's damp, it soaks up moisture beautifully. Some of the best KBeauty toners contain ingredients like birch sap, centella asiatica, and fermented extracts that not only hydrate, but also soothe and repair the skin barrier. Don't rub, just gently pat it in for maximum absorption. 5. Essences. The secret sauce of KBeauty. If there's one product that defines Korean skincare, it's the essence. This lightweight, nutrient-packed liquid penetrates deeply to hydrate, brighten, and repair the skin barrier. Imagine feeding your skin a delicious, vitamin-packed smoothie. Essences do exactly that. One of the best Korean essences is fermented galactomyces or rice ferment, which boosts elasticity and fights dullness. Want a DIY alternative? You can even use fermented rice water as a natural essence. 6. Sheet masks. Your instant glow-up. Ever wondered why sheet masks are a staple in KBeauty? These magical masks deliver an intense boost of hydration and nutrients in just 15 minutes. Pro tip. Store them in the fridge for an extra cooling effect. It's like a mini spa day at home. For best results, look for masks with ingredients like propolis for healing, hyaluronic acid for deep hydration, and green tea for soothing redness. Use them 2 to 3 times a week for a consistent glow. Section 7. Rice water. The DIY elixir for brighter skin. One of the oldest Korean beauty secrets, rice water. It's packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and amino acids that brighten and smooth your skin. To make it at home, simply soak rice in water for 30 minutes, strain it, and use the milky liquid as a toner or rinse. The results? A naturally radiant glow. Scene transition. DIY tutorial of making and applying rice water. Fermented rice water is even more powerful. Just leave the rice water at room temperature for a day, let it ferment, and store it in the fridge. This boosts its brightening and anti-aging benefits. Section 8. The magic of snail mucin. Yes, you heard that right, snail mucin. Before you cringe, hear me out. Snail mucin is a powerhouse ingredient that heals acne scars, boosts collagen, and deeply hydrates. If you want baby soft skin, this is a must-try. Don't worry, it's collected humanely from snails as they move, and it's filtered multiple times before being used in skincare products. It's one of the most powerful natural anti-aging ingredients out there. 9. Sunscreen, the ultimate anti-aging weapon. Ask any Korean dermatologist, and they'll tell you the secret to youthful skin is sunscreen. UV rays are the #1 cause of premature aging, so applying SPF daily is non-negotiable. Remember, sunscreen isn't just for summer, it's for every single day. 10. Beauty from within, Korean diet secrets for healthy skin. Great skin isn't just about what you put on your face, it's also about what you eat. Koreans incorporate skin-loving foods like kimchi, seaweed, and green tea into their diet for glowing skin from the inside out. Hydration is key, too, so drink plenty of water and green tea for an extra detoxifying boost. And there you have it, top secret Korean skincare tips that will transform your skin from dull to dazzling.